Okay, we're out here today. We're gonna take some tools up there and do some work on the ceiling. We'll get the generator, and hopefully we got that problem fixed with the generator and we get power again. Alrighty. Digging for food. It's going to be a hard winter on them. Much fun being out here. Living outdoors. Alright, this bay is 41 inches, so we'll cut some of them up tonight and we'll come out tomorrow and start putting some in this bay. We'll be a couple months collecting boards, but time is cheap. Talk to you a bit. So, get ready for the ceiling production.
So how many have you cut so far?
I don't know, about 30. And these are the ones we're going to mix up for the 40-inch bay. This is the 41-inch bay.
Okay.
So need about 48 boards per bay.
Oh.
And I've got about 30 here. So we'll still need more. I wish I had some more darker colored ones.
Mm-hmm.
I got some, but we'll have to try to mix match them so they don't all look the same.
So we're gonna have to take down some of the stuff that's up there tomorrow.
Yeah, some of the stuff we have up there tomorrow, I'm gonna mix up with these.
Mm-hmm.
So a couple, you know, just sort of randomly do it.
Right.
And I think it'll look better if it's kind of random.
I think so too. Yeah. Yep. No, should look good. A long winter.
Yes.
That's not all of them either. We're here.
There's one up there.
And there's another one up there. I wonder if the kids want a birdhouse.
What's wrong with it? I can stop anytime I want.
What, making birdhouses?
Yeah.